Subscribe to our channel. VPM helps you start and run your remote business. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this video. Remember TruLease? It gives you a physical address to open your business bank account. Okay, I'll give a fresh reminder of it. One of the biggest issues is getting a physical address that won't get flagged and is accepted by financial banks. Meaning it's a pain to get proof of address if you're opening your business out of the US or don't have a physical brick and mortar location. That's where this video comes in. TruLease can give you a physical address since VPM partners with commercial building owners to provide you a physical office space. You'll sign a lease agreement to show that you have an office space. If needed, you can request a utility bill for additional proof of address. Now, the questions from that video you asked the most. Let's break it down. First question is, are there any requirements to get TruLease? In order to use TruLease, you must meet the following requirements. Obtain a business EIN to authenticate your entity's existence. Supply a copy of your business's incorporation documents or LLC operating agreement. Submit a notarized USPS Form 1583 for opening a virtual mailbox account. 2 IDs must accompany your form, one of which must have a photograph. Lastly, the individual opening the account must be an authorized officer of the business. How long does it take to get the lease drafted? It takes 1 to 2 business days to prepare the lease agreement and have it executed. Is TruLease a physical address, not a PO box, which cannot be used for a lot of banks or other services? Yes, you will get access to a true US physical address. TruLease was created specifically for the purpose of opening Amazon accounts, bank accounts, and other merchant services. Many VPM customers have successfully used our TruLease plan for these purposes. Can I use my mailbox address as my company's physical address? Yes, because TruLease comes with the option of a virtual mailbox address. You can use that for your company's physical address to register your LLC. Basically, use your virtual mailbox address to register your business and not the physical leased address. Mailbox addresses can be used to register businesses, as it's not a PO box address. Can I receive mail at the leased address? You can receive mail at the leased address, but it doesn't come with virtual mailbox features, such as mail scanning and forwarding. It's highly recommended that you use the address for proof of address purposes only. For everything else, you should use your virtual mailbox address. Do you accept packages? Yes, the physical address for proof of address purposes, and a mailbox address for mailing purposes. Please note you should not use your physical leased address for receiving operational mail and packages. While you can receive mail on the leased address is not a processing center. Therefore, mail will be periodically forwarded to your mailbox address. It can take up to 2 weeks for you to see your mail show up in your online mailbox. That's why it's recommended to use the mailing address to receive and manage your mail faster and at a more affordable pricing. Can you forward mail internationally? Yes, you can ship both domestically and internationally. Do you offer fax services? Unfortunately, VPM does not offer fax services. However, there are several online fax services that are available. Here are some that you might find useful: Fax Zero, OneSuite, eFax, and HelloFax. Do most banks require you to be there in person to open a business bank account? While most banks will allow you to start the process of opening a new bank account online, many require you to sign the final paperwork in person. This is simple for those who live in the United States, but difficult for international businesses to do. An alternative would be to enlist a US-based authorized agent or manager for the company to solely act as a signer for the company to open bank accounts. What if the financial institution rejects my application? Contact customer support, where the team will work with the financial institution to satisfy the requirements for proof of address. However, all banks are different and requirements will vary with each bank. Some are very strict, while others are more accommodating. Therefore, it's recommended you make a list of banks you would like to work with so that you're prepared in the event that the bank does not allow you to open an account with them. Can I cancel TruLease at any time? With TruLease, you sign a 1-year contract that renews annually, though there are specific conditions in which you may cancel. The contract must be renewed for as long as you have the leased address on file with any financial institution or vendor. What is your cancellation policy? If the lease agreement is not fully executed, then you can cancel any time within 30 days from sign up. If the lease agreement is not fully executed and is past the 30 days, we can cancel the plan, but the past subscription fees will not be refunded. If the lease agreement is executed within the 30-day time frame, you will need to show us proof of rejection, a written letter or email, before the refund will be approved. If the rejection occurs after the 30-day time frame, we can cancel the plan on a case-by-case basis, but you will not be refunded any past amounts that you have paid for. If your plan is not canceled within 30 days and there's no proof of rejection, then you must wait until the 1-year contract ends. And there you have it, answers to your most pressing questions about TruLease. Before you go, don't forget to check out all our related videos and articles from our channel. And for any questions or things you want to know, add a comment in this video. Learn more.